Alright, so what I want to do is show you guys how to actually graph the tangent line, or let your calculator graph it for you and calculate it. Just keep in mind, and I want to warn you guys, I prefer my students to always know how to do all this stuff by hand. So the only reason I'm showing you guys how to actually find the tangent line using your calculator is because I have the expectation that you'll be able to do these things by hand and then just use your calculator to double check your work. So I have a quadratic equation graphed here. It's x squared minus 4, and what I'd like to do is find the tangent line of it at 1. So I'm going to hit second program for the draw menu, and then I'm going to come down to option number 5 and I'll hit enter. Now at that point in time, notice that the cursor is on the curve, and as I mentioned earlier, the curve is x squared minus 4. So I now enter in the x value. Sorry about that. I'm going to enter in the x value which I want, which is x equals 1. Now when I hit enter, what this is going to do is it's going to calculate the derivative and plug that in as a slope, and then calculate the xy on the curve, and then give me the tangent line equation and graph the tangent line equation. So I hit enter, and there is the tangent line. So my tangent line is 2x minus 5. And so that means that the derivative of this, evaluated at x equals 1, is going to be 2. Okay? And that's pretty simple. If I wanted to know the tangent line at, say, x equals 3, I'll do this one more time. I'll hit second program, which pulls up the draw menu, and then I'm going to choose option number 5. I'm curious about when x equals 3, so I just hit the number 3, hit enter, and gives it a second, and then it calculates the coordinate where that intersects is at x equals 3, and then the y equals, or the tangent line equation, is 6x plus negative 13. And so there it is. That's how you graph and solve the tangent line to a curve using your TI calculator.